Even though it's terrifying sometimes to travel alone, a solo trip to São Miguel was the best decision of my life. When I was there, I could feel that mutual feeling of human closeness, both with travelers and locals.
It was very difficult in the beginning. I was challenged because I don't have anyone to talk to. And I think after 2 days I relaxed, and I think it's very nice traveling alone. And you're not depending on anyone and feel all the things you can do. And another great thing is that you have to trust people a lot. Yeah, getting help. And I think people have been really nice down here. I can feel it every minute, getting stronger.
Confession. On the last day of my trip in Azores, I cried. I wasn't ready to leave the beauty I just perceived. Like the unique tea plantation where you can witness the whole process of producing tea. Hot springs everywhere, the greenest hills I've ever seen. Amazing waterfalls, black beaches, picturesque towns. It's so unique, I've never seen it anywhere else.
Aqui os lugares todos são lindos, tudo depende do gosto de cada pessoa. Estamos os pontos todos turísticos da ilha de São Miguel, todos eles têm as suas próprias características. E nunca tive intenções de viver fora.
It's a really beautiful island that I have to come back to, so I can see all the different things that I didn't have a chance to see this time. It's like a little paradise.
But it's not perfect. It constantly rains there, and it's almost impossible to plan your trip with such poor bus timetables they have. However, those hardships are exactly the moments when memories are made.
For a while I had been talking about doing this trip, and I had been telling people that that's what I wanted to do, and then it came an actual opportunity to do it, and I kind of had to decide if I wanted to be someone who would talk about it or someone who would actually do it.
I had been planning to visit these Portuguese islands for a long time when I finally got the courage to go there all by myself. Because being vulnerable is actually tough. Walking alone, talking to strangers, going to the unknown. Learning to make peace with rain, even though I prefer sunshine. I just had to make that leap.
Because we're strong women traveling by ourselves.